depicted here that you still don't know the name of does not fucking count. But you know that. You're just a fuck.
Prime and Netflix simultaneously, all of them, of course, licensing this from the Lionsgate-controlled Vestron Video. So, no. Who all has a guest to C. Phillips 92's number one.
In the 80s, this was the holy grail.
Yeah.
And that's all they talked about, how we're going to do it. It was going to be interactive TV. That was one of the mechanisms. Remember that one?
Click on the dress and it'll come to your door the next day.
Exactly. Yeah, you remember all this bull crap.
Of course.
And so they finally achieve it, and oh no, it's the end of the world. What are we going to do? Privacy.
Well, I think, we know that the younger generations, younger than two old guys with hot takes.
That's us.
That's us. That they universally have given up. Oh, they got all my information anyway. But I think
you're just a fuck.
Prime and Netflix simultaneously, all of them, of course, licensing this from the Lionsgate-controlled Vestron Video. So, no. Who all has a guest to C. Phillips 92's number one video index, Andrew?
Well, okay, it's still pretty early year, Pomp.
However, I do know there are many orbiting video index tokens or VITs near your YouTube channel, and it is on Prime and Netflix simultaneously. There are many orbiting video index tokens or VITs near your YouTube channel, and it
Guaranteed you're already confused. It's only been 28 years. The dots are on items which open cards which are powered for dynamic commerce. And Nova, it doesn't exist because you don't know the name of it, and having someone you know who knows someone who made the service